Hello and what's up everybody? It's a girl on the Muni and I'm super excited to be back. So if you're new here, karibu sana and consider subscribing to this channel. If you're old, just know all is gold and I treasure you for always tuning in. So guys, it's been a while since we had a walk. So I'm super ready. I have a jacket on because it's cold and it's chilly and it's kind of drizzling. And I have a cape on because I don't want my hair to get wet. So anyway, guys, enough of that. So I'm headed out, and I was like, "Yo, why not carry you along and show you what nature has to offer us?" And yeah, before then, the only way you can support me is by subscribing and liking the video so that you can reach out to many others. And if you like this video, guys, comment up on and be where else can I go? Don't mind the cat on there. So yeah, I'm super excited because I've been waiting. Can you imagine? It's been raining since morning, and I was like, yo, since I'll be walking, there's no need to get wet, then get cold. It doesn't make sense going out in the rain. So I just tweeted, and right now it's 1 p.m. Is it 1 p.m.? Yes, it's 1 p.m. And yeah, I just hope I'm going to make it on time before darkness because I really need to walk. I just feel like I need to walk, be in my own thoughts, and I'll take you along. See, tuone maeneo venye yanakaa. Yeah, anyway, guys, let's head. So actually, the weather is so gloomy and it's drizzling so hard, so I don't feel like using my umbrella. So, and that's the view on my side. So yeah, guys, finally we are here and okay, guys, tuko wapi. We are in Mwihoko, and this is the route that we usually use when we went to school. Yeah, for those wondering, tuko wapi? Tuko Mwihoko, and this is haka njia kenye niko ninye tulikuwa tunatumia tukienda shule. So I studied in Kireri Women's School, so nitaonyesha venye inakaa, and guys, a lot has changed. I don't know if I'm the only person, but this, like, kila kitu imechange cause barabara, first of it's so clean, so like, yo, na enzi zetu it was so dusty, so I really don't know. Yeah, barabara zilikuwa so dusty, and by the time unafika class you are so like unakaa kama mtu alikuwa kwa kware. So this is it, guys, behind there. And yeah, acha tufike nionyeshe venye inakaa. So yeah, guys, as I was saying, hivi akanjia nikakwenda shule, so let's just tufike tu hapo nionyesha venye inaka. And let me tell you, I really don't understand why vitu time yenye umetoka they get much better and easier, and like ukiwa, because I remember the time I was at school it was so hectic, like, yo. Anyway, guys, I really miss school, but I don't like studying, so yeah. So cafeteria ilikuwa gapo, and it was more of it wasn't studently, bei yake ilikuwa not that nini, like budget friendly, but hiyo. So yeah, this is ini gate ya kwanza, the north gate. So we usually use this gate, and as you can see uko ndani how it looks like, and the other gate is up there. So this is the first gate. There's another gate on the other side. Oh, there's a talent summit. So yeah, I'm not going to show you much, so let's go. I just feel I envy the people who are going to school right now because it's so easy. So easy. Like hata kukinyesha, the road is so clean. Anyway, but I don't understand how people make roads and then they become so. So guys, these are some goats and sheep. The sheep are up in front, so these are goats. Wait. This is isn't it sheep, simple? Yeah, so this is sheep for me, and the goats are up there. Let's hurry up and see before they get away. Yeah, as you can see the school, yani mpaka fence, the fence yenyewe, and wow, I just envy the people going to school right now because a lot has changed. So these are sheep, goats. These are goats. The sheep sneezes again and they're stinking. It's as if they're going home. Yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog. Let's enjoy nature together. Acha niwafikishe kwa gate alafu niwaonyeshe. So guys, ndio hiyo shule venye inakaa. So there's the gate. Acha tufikie hapo hivyo and then niwaonyeshe. I'm so tired. Kiriri Women's University of Technology. Oh, I love these flowers. So that's Kiriri for me. It's so cute. Yep, that's where it's called. And I don't want to see people. I really hate vlogging when there are people around because I'm always shy. I don't know what to say or what to do because people always think they're being, is it shot at or they're being taken videos or pictures. So which is insane because I also don't like taking people pictures because I want to post them. So acha nionyesha chenye kilileta huko. And yeah. So yeah, Kiriri is behind us. And as I said, look at when in a developed so haraka. And then the environment yenyewe, angalia kama huko nyuma. Like even the environment yenyewe, it's grown. And I'm like, I just envy the people living here right now because if you compare Muihoko like 5 years down the line, it's something else because development zimejaa, watu wamejenga, and yeah. So anyway, I really don't know. I don't know what to expect kufika huko chini because it's long. It's long since I was here. Like, I don't know. So yeah, twende. Actually, this is not what I expected because I really thought the whole of this place is farmland, but apparently watu wamegawana and people have started jengari. And there's a river down there. Let me follow this woman and see how she's going. And it's so muddy. So pale chini ni mto. And there's land here. Let me show you. So as I was saying, the whole of this place was farmland, and apparently right now, I guess due to high demand of land and money, people actually are now wanagawana. You can see up there where there are those tanks. Let me show you. It was still land, and right now it was like bare land with greeneries, and right now watu wameamua tu no more farming, and they need to build, they need the cash money. And so as you can see, there are just kilns around here, and some what do you call this, there are kilns, spinach and maize plants. So I guess I'll just head back because it's so muddy. I didn't carry my gumboots, and then try to see what the other side looks like. And yeah, so these are just kilns, maskuma, these ones. So I'll just head back cause and it's like the planting season, cause most of the greens are small, tiny, and yeah, as I was saying, like ukiangalia huko nyuma, the place is just like that, iko tu. So let me just head back and see kama ile side ingine kuna kitu yenye tunaweza ona. And let me tell you, it's this muddy, and the soil here is clay soil. For those people who know clay soil, the black soil I mean, and it's so sticky. So let me just head back, alafu nitaonyesha baadaye.
I'm not surprised that she has ended up where she ended up with a lot of time. We've had American ambassadors. For me, the most beautiful thing is that we had her. Because that was the important thing that America has to.
So I was just taking some smoky, and it tastes way different. Sijai kula kitu kama hiyo, like the taste of it is something else. And yeah, so actually I've walked for nearly 1.5 hours, and I'm on the other side. As you can see, this land belongs to Uhuru, and let me show you. I'm becoming fat. I actually have a small tripod. I'm a phone holder, but I don't know why I'm using my arm. I'm actually getting tired of this. So tiring. I'm rest assured nimeangusha kilo kadhaa because hey, from 1 p.m. and right now it's 4. It's actually 4. Magari zenye zinapita hapa. So guys, apparently Tukoku is a side's bypass, and you can see the road is, it's so good. And for those people who love trees and flowers, this is a place for you to come and so as I was saying, for those people who love trees, flowers, this is actually the place for you to come and buy. Because I just feel like this area usually have a variety of them. So look at that side. There are so many trees and it's so green. And pots as well. Those are flower pots, so if you're in need of those things. I actually don't know if you can hear me because it's so noisy. The vehicles are so loud. Honestly speaking, I can't wait to have my own land and start like planting trees and flowers, because my friend, I love greeneries, and this place actually, I don't know if I'm the only person who has that fantasy of having your own land and then having your own like garden and then planting trees, flowers, like I don't know, because the views, the trees, actually I don't know the price, but I'm sure it's price you could, because unanunua ikiwa like, how is it called, when it's fully, when it's grown, so you just go and transplant it, and yeah. So when I grow up, I want to have my own land and do my own thing, like a small forest, a garden, such kind of thing. So I don't know if I'm the only person who usually like fantasize such kind of things. Nila tu nakanga unasema ningekuwa na kashamba kidogo, this and that, but anyway, it's just a matter of working hard, getting money and saving it up, and then you buy your own stuff. I actually love how the road turned out. Like, it's so good, no traffic, no nothing. If in every county they did this, trust you me, Kenya tungekuwa mbali sana, like development ingekuwa far, like yo. Sasa county mnapelekanga wapi nyinyi ma governors? Where does it end up? Cause ukiangalia basari, there are many students wenye wanabakianga home wenye wajaenda shule because of lack of money, ama it wasn't enough. Because hata ukipewa ngiri 5 na fee ni almost 30,000 surely. Kuja count shopping, like, hey bana. So it's nearly raining. Kwenye naelekea, as you can see, it's kunakaa tu kunyesha, so let me hurry up, then sijui tutaonania home ama where. So yeah guys, the rate at which vehicles zinanipita hapa mpaka mimi naogopa mwenyewe bana. The speed is so insane, and I'm sure the person in it doesn't feel how much the speed is. Where? Especially trucks. When a truck passes close to you, it's so, where? I don't even know how to explain it, but it's crazy, it's insane. Just Just feel it. And the wind. Oh my God. Just feel that. Fuck. Damn. The vehicles are so fast. My only hope is that it doesn't rain before I get to the other side of the highway. Just wait for it. Eish. So hapo hivi kuna mto. There's a river down here and I don't know if the rivers, I don't know if it's because of the rain, but anytime it rains, the rivers are so dirty. But I also think it's because there's no stones underground. Ndio hiyo mto yenu. As I was saying, I just feel like the rivers that lack stones or pebbles underground, it's hard for the dirt to get swept. So this is it. Yeah, there it is. And it's huge actually. There it is. I'm trying to be fast so that I don't get rained on. So don't wonder why I'm shaky and the wind. For those people who would love to take a walk, I love nature walks. So kama uko hapo na unataka kutembea, for those people who want to lose weight, kuangusha kilo ama to keep fit, just holler at me. And yeah, the only thing you carry is just water, maybe umbrella. It depends on the weather. And what else? Just nini ingine unahitaji kutembea. Make sure you've eaten enough, you've drank, you've hydrated, that is. And what else? I don't think there's anything else you need when you're walking. Ni tu viatu mzuri. Shoes that are not going to... The speed is insane. So as I was saying, for those people who would love to take a walk, nature walk, I know places. You can go to Karura Forest, you can come to such kind of places, and there's a nice breeze. Kwanza, right now there's no much sun, so I just feel like the weather is not bad. Did you feel that? It's so crazy. Yeah, just comment hapo kama wataka tutembea pamoja, and then I'm going to tell you how you're going to reach me. I can't give you my number here, but you can always reach me. Yeah, so guys, it's actually raining and my umbrella is misbehaving. Can you imagine hiyo yote? Hiyo ni gari natoa hiyo moshi yote, imagine. So crazy. It's raining and my umbrella is misbehaving because of the wind, so I'll just try and hurry up before I get wet. So as you can see, niliwaambia this place is a nice place to buy yourself a flower vase, a flower pot, They're called, yeah, these are pots actually. So yeah, unaweza, how can you go with all that moshi and it's so crazy. So yeah guys, acha niharakishe. So watu wa Kamakis, here we come. So I just love how what is that, niri ndio. So look at how these pots looks like, guys. Look on the other side, they're so cute. I can't ask bei yake cause I'm not buying, so kama huyo amenunua yake, ameenda kupanda. So guys, now we see tumefika, tuko karibu. Never give up, never give up, never give up. You can actually buy all these and you look, they're so green. Ubora, so long as your soil is good. So long as your soil is good, I find it easier to buy when it's like this, because you just go and transplant and it's just so cute. So tuko karibu kufika. We are near. Look at these palm trees. Yeah, so this is Indio bypass, Indio barabara ya bypass. And watu wale wa Kamakis, watu wenye wanapenda nyamchoms, this is the area. So on the other side, that's where most of the nini zinakuanga. I just hope I'll catch one.